Now I am the main field and where the machine is preparing the field for cultivating the paddy seed, and you are seeing and observing the main institution of everything. And beside me, machine is cultivating properly, and I will show you that things, and inshallah you will understand. You cannot hear me, you're hearing the sound of the paddy field, and here is one of them. This is the machine controller who is completing and preparing this field, and it takes around 30 minutes or 20 minutes to complete the whole field. And the sound is very high. For this reason you cannot hearing me properly. Look at the back. Most of the people who have land, they are totally busy with their lands because it is the high time for cultivating the paddy, and he is far away. And there is another machines behind me, you are seeing that is also preparing the sound, and they're preparing the house. And there are a lot of different kind of birds. One of them are agrates, and also the unique birds comes from different kind of countries in winter season. Bangladesh famous for also. If you really want to enjoy or watch the different kind of birds, agrates, different things, animals, you have to come to the field only for this. And machine is coming towards me, and it is currently observing or currently watching the everything, and it is preparing the field properly. The controller also see to me, you are hearing of the sound of that. Very nice and very actionable thing. This is a modern machines, and it is being running across the country, and it takes a few time to complete the preparing for the field. And before there was a man-made thing with cow, with ash, different kind of hurtful animals. They prepare their field with different things. It takes a lot of time, and it takes a lot of things. Okay, now maybe a machine is in under some problem, and usually any machines who is working or who is being worked under the water or under the mud, different kind of it is must be take some problem, and it is happen usually because machines cannot take water, cannot take mud. It is harmful or it is danger for any kind of engine or any kind of machines. There also cover is the whole thing, and behind me different kind of my uncles is also working there, and they are now sitting the sound of the preparing. And this is the very busy time for every farmer, not only in our field but also across the country, the whole Bangladesh. They are very busy in this time because paddy comes from rice, rice turns into rice, and rice turns into different kind of things, and people cannot do it properly. And our main food is rice, so people have to work only for this. The machine has come again for preparing that, and I think they have already prepared the field, and the machines will be taking another field for preparing another moment. I think you are hearing the sound. It is very enjoyable sound. I think you also hearing this sound very enjoyable because this type of sound people can want to hear, and it is very hard to hear without this winter season. And I also want to notice something more, that winter season is very enjoyable, charming, and as well as it is very hurtful for farmers or for those person who are working outside, because most of people cannot take the winter things because bathing in the winter season is one of the harsh thing and very hurtful. And there the people are working in the mud or in the taking the cold water hours after hours. So you can think that, you can at least you can understand it's very hard, and for every kind of farmers and every kind of day worker who really work outside this type of professions. So I am going to leave from this video. I hope you have enjoyed a lot. You have also enjoyed our beautiful nature of Bangladesh. Goodbye. I'll see you another video, inshallah, another day.